Welcome to Mosat Digital Agency Free Tutorial Platform. Today I am going to unlock the tips that you need to grow your e-commerce business using Google Ads advertising. How to grow your e-commerce business, your online store, your online shops using Google Ad advertising. Today I'm going to roll out the tips, and if you will follow our subsequent tutorial on how to grow your e-commerce business using Google Ad, you will learn the sequence of the tips that we will be rolling out. So that is why I urge you to subscribe to our YouTube channels if you've not subscribed. Follow us on our Facebook page, like and share our content, because this will help you to get notification whenever we post a new tutorial. And also, if you have any question to ask, you drop it on the comment box. We will react to it. Okay, we are going to walk you through, give you some essential tips on how you grow your business using Google Ad advertising. Maybe you own an online shop, you are selling a business. Take a look at this. Is an online shop. This online shop is based in Canada. You can see this online shop is selling a lot of things: tactical products, duty bag, belt, duty gear, original SWAT boot, and the rest of them. Now, this business is entirely an online business. It's not even there is no open shop for it. It's an online, totally online business, and this is why this tutorial is important. I want to guide you what you need to do and how you will scale your business using Google Ad advertising, your online business. Even if you have a store, a physical store, and you want to complement your business using digital platform, this tutorial is for you. Will give you the tips, what you need, how to get started, and the rest of it. Okay, the first thing you have to do is, if you want to get your business in the front page of search engine while people are searching, the first thing you have to do is to get business website. Get business website, or we call it e-commerce platform. Get e-commerce platform. E-commerce platform. There are many e-commerce platforms that you can get. Remember that online business is not just like a static website where you create content and add text based. No. So that is why in developing your business, the first thing you have to do is to go for e-commerce platform. And we have types of e-commerce platform. Types of e-commerce platform. We have the types of e-commerce platform we have are: one, we have Woocommerce. Woocommerce. We have Shopify. We have Shopify. We have Magento. So now there might be other types of e-commerce platform, but I'm going to mention only these three, which are almost the most popular e-commerce platform: Woocommerce, Shopify, and Magento. If you look at this platform is built on Magento e-commerce platform. So what you have to do is, when you get, for example, let me the Woocommerce is a product of WordPress. When you develop your ad using what is it called, WordPress, and you will download Woocommerce platform. You have Shopify. Shopify is almost the most popular one. If you want to create account in Shopify platform, and also if you like, you create account in Magento. So now in the subsequent tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create account in any of these e-commerce platform. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm only going to mention it as the types of the e-commerce platform that you can list your products. Now, Why do you need e-commerce platform? You need e-commerce platform to list your product. This is a, your product. For example, here I have shopping category of this. I want to go to the the boot footwear. This website is selling footwear, so you can see under this, you see the boot. This is product listing. So this product is listed using an e-commerce platform, and the features of the e-commerce platform is that it will be able to list the product, give you the name of the product, like this is original SWAT 115 classic waterproof. You can see that anybody who land on this page will quickly get an information on what is happening. He has seen the name, he will also see the image, and also see the price tag, and also see a call to action that will ask you to add to cart. Add to cart means that you have selected this to pay. Of course, all of us knows about the dynamics of shopping. So it is within the e-commerce platform, either your Shopify, your Woocommerce, your Magento, that you list this product. So the first thing you have to do, if you want to grow your ad, grow your business using Google Ad, number one is, just as I mentioned, build your business website. And you cannot build your business website if you want to sell without the help of any of these e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce, Shopify, and Magento. I see a lot of people who want to sell a product. They use static website, just post an image, and want people to contact them, call them on phone. No, that won't give you a good result, because e-commerce should have shopping experience where people will see the product, the price of the product, and when they click on the product, they will also see what we call description of the product. So these things are features of these are features of e-commerce. If you look at here now, this is uh, this is the description of this platform. When you scroll up, you will see everything you need to know about this particular product. Original boots, ultimate tactical footwear for law enforcement, kaza kaza, and the rest of them. You also see more details like black. The color is black. There are other things. So this is what give this uh, the customer or would be customer who want to make a purchase an overview of what he or she is buying, that he doesn't need to contact you. All you need to do is, when if this product matches uh, the, what he or she is looking for, he will go ahead, add it to cart, and check out. So that is the basic thing. Then, having created your online e-commerce platform using any of these tools, and I say that in the next tutorial we are going to roll out, we are going to walk you through on how to create account on any of these platform, either WooCommerce, Shopify, or Magento, how you can list your product in them. Then after you have listed your product, the next thing you have to do is to go to what we call Google Ad Merchant Center. Google Ad Merchant Center is where you list your product in Google for it to appear in Google Ad. Now, so this is a merchant center. In merchant center, you link your e-commerce platform to your uh, e-commerce platform. So just as I said, in the subsequent tutorial we are going to walk you through extensively on how you can set up e-commerce platform, your e-commerce platform, how you will link this e-commerce platform to your merchant center. So the first thing I mentioned is get your e-commerce platform. When you get your e-commerce platform, the next thing is launch your Google. We call it GMC. GMC means Google Merchant Center. So, so when so next tutorial, we're going to talk about how to create Google Merchant Center account, link your e-commerce business. So when you have done this, create your merchant center account. Then you will verify your merchant center by adding your business information. Look at this one. Under here, there's a business information. You add your business details. You add under the business detail, you have under the business detail, you have the store information, you have the country, you have the sales tax, and the rest of them. When you must have done it, you go to what we call feed listing. Feed listing is a process through which you will list the product. We call it product feed. You list all the products that you want to sell online. You want people to discover. So when you list them, uh, Google will now use it to fetch your product. When people are searching for your product will show up and you will be able to see all the listed products that you have. Like for example here, if I click on the product, you will see all the product that is being advertised. This merchant center has 79 products, and out of these 79 products, you can see how it is listed here. You can see all this in the approval is given by Google Merchant Center, which in the subsequent tutorial, just as I mentioned, we are going to talk about how to get all these products approved, how to list them. So I'm just showing you this overview as a step, how you will bring your business from your business, starting from creating your business website through integration of e-commerce platform, either you use Shopify, Woocommerce, or whatever, the one that you prefer. Now, after that, you create your merchant center account, list the product. As you can see, these are the list of products we have in this merchant center. We have duty belt, original sword boot, and each of them has their own descriptions. This is the item descriptions and the rest of them. Now, having done that, after you have created your business website, launch your Google GMC, which is Google Merchant Center, the third thing you have to do is create your Google ad, create your Google ad account. If you don't know how to create Google ad account, we have a tutorial on this platform which we created that says how to launch your Google ad account 2025. You can search the YouTube, the video, you watch it, you learn how you can launch your YouTube, launch your Google ad account. So once you have launched your Google ad account, the next thing you do is to link your Google ad account with your merchant center account. You launch your Google ad account with your merchant center account. So if you have created, so why will you link your Google ad account? You will link your Google ad account because actually the Google ad account is where you will create the campaign. So it is where you will create the campaign. If you look at here, you will see ad campaign. These ad campaign are actually created using Google Ads. So, but you can also get the details of your campaign inside your Google Merchant Center. If you look at it, it says advertise your product on Google. This is the symbol of Google Ad, and this is telling you linked to Google Ad. So, can create a campaign, ad billing. So this shows that we have linked this account to Google Ad. In our subsequent tutorial, we will talk about how you can link your Google Ad to your merchant center. So the three things we have mentioned is how to bring your business and advertise it on Google Ad. Number one is launch your business website. Use any of these tools, Woocommerce, Shopify, and Magento. Another thing is launch your Google Merchant Center. And I say that in the next tutorial, we're going to take you through on how to create accounts, set up your Google Merchant Center account. The third one is create your Google Ad account. When you create your Google Ad account, you now link your Google Ad account. If you link your Google Ad account, what happens is that during the setup of campaign, the merchant center that you have created will be able to, if you look at this, is one of the campaigns. So after linking your Google Ad account, the next thing you have to do is to create your campaign. Create your campaign. The third one is create Google ad campaign. And to create this Google ad campaign, the type of campaign you need is what we call shopping campaign. Now, but this shopping campaign has an integrated campaign platform which we call PMax or Performance Max Campaign. Performance Max Campaign. In our tutorial, we have created a free tutorial tips on how to set up Google Ads Performance Max Campaign. Performance Max Campaign is the Google AI automated uh, artificial intelligence driven campaign that will be able to help you to show your product, uh, business product, the product you're selling online, to show it on Google search engine. For example, if I Google shop, let me Google buy women clothing in New York, United States. Let me see uh, the search result. You can see here. Let us see. Okay, these are sponsored. Whenever you see this sponsored, now if you look at, see, this is mental siren dress. You can see the price. You can see the image. You can see summer short dress. You can see the image. You can see the price. This one, price in dollars, price in euro. These are product pages. This is people that have created their ad and it is showing. So if I click any of this, it will take me to their website and I will make a purchase and I will look at, is that what I want? So one of the ways to have this type of ad is by creating about what we call shopping ad, standard shopping ad, or performance mass campaign. So which will be the next thing we will be talking about as far as bringing your business to Google ad advertising is concerned. Don't forget, as I mentioned, that this is Mosat Digital Agency free tutorial platform. We keep updating you with what you need to excel in your digital campaigns, and this is free. All you need to do is to subscribe to our YouTube channels and you get all the details. In our next tutorial, we will be picking all these points um, sequentially to help you how to launch your e-commerce platform, how to set up your Google Matcha Center, how to set up your Google Ad account. Of course, we had that tutorial already in our platform. How to set up shopping campaign, create performance mark campaign, and the rest of it. So all you need to do is hit the subscriber button so that you get updates and notification whenever we roll out new tutorials. Thank you.